Hello everyone, welcome to Terrie Nutrition. So today we are going to make chicken Bombay Biryani. The ingredients that are required are 1.5 kg of washed and dried chicken, 3 medium sliced tomatoes and onions, half kg of yogurt and 1 packet of Bombay Biryani masala, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 4 chilies. Heat around half cup of oil in a wok. Add the sliced onions to the hot oil and fry until they are golden brown in color. Once the onions are done, now add the chicken along with 1 teaspoon of salt and mix around for 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken changes its color. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, mix well and cover and cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now add the freshly chopped tomatoes along with 3 to 4 green chilies and mix well. Cover this and cook for around 5 more minutes. Once the tomatoes are done, now add 1 teaspoon of each of the spices that I mentioned along with a packet of Bombay Biryani masala. Once the spices are mixed properly, now add around half kg of fresh yogurt and cover and cook this on low flame for another 7 to 10 minutes. The curry is now done. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. In a stew pot, add around 8 to 10 glasses of water along with a teaspoon of salt and few drops of vinegar. You can also add some sabut garam masala or ground spices along with fresh curry leaves. Once the water starts to boil, add around 1 kg of washed and soaked rice to the boiling water. Once the rice are cooked around 70 to 80%, strain out the water and set them aside. Place the same rice pot over a flat iron pan and add around a teaspoon of oil. Layer the rice and the curry just the same way as it is being done in the video. You can also sprinkle some leftover biryani masala or chaat masala just to enhance the taste. Cover and leave it on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Our Bombay Biryani is now done and ready to be served. I hope you guys liked the recipe. Do try and let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care of yourselves and the people around you. Don't forget to wear your mask and wash your hands to protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Till then, take care of yourselves. See you guys in the next video.